In this tutorial, we want to draw this simple green leaf in Inkscape 1.0 or in Inkscape in general. So we'll start by going for our circle tool, and then we just draw an ellipse, something like this. Okay, now go to select it, and then go to the selection tool, and then go to path, object to path. Now go for your edit path by nodes tool, and then what we want to do is to select these two nodes here, and then move it down a bit to get it a bit rounded, not very much, but this is okay. And then now go to the top here, and then we want to make it as corners, so make selected nodes corners. So that's why we want to make it a bit sharp, so go on and press that. Now we want to distort this leaf here a bit so that it looks like this. So the next thing we'll have to do is to go to path effects, and then you get this dialog box here, and then you see this plus here, press it, and then go to envelope deformation. You can read the information about it by clicking left here, the I sign. It says that adjust the shape of an object by transforming parts on its four sides. So go on and click it. Now we have the top bend path. We leave this as it is, enable top and bottom parts, and then enable left and right parts so that you can handle it. Now they say the top bend path, go on and press edit on canvas. So if you press this, you see that this line changes to green, so you can do something to it. Go to the right side here and move this a bit to the right like this. Now we have distorted it a bit. The next thing to do is to draw this thing here. Now the next thing we do is to go for our rectangle and square tool, and then we draw a rectangle here, something like, let's see, yes, I think that is good. We'll reduce it, so don't worry, we leave it as it is. And then we go to path, object to path, and then we also want to give this a path effect. So go to the path effects plus, and then give it a envelope deformation, and then we adjust this a bit. We go for our edit path by nodes tool, and then we move this at least to the right, to the left. We pick the right one to the left. I would want to bend this a bit to the right, so maybe move this a bit, and then move the corresponding one a bit also, just for it to look a bit natural. I think this is good. You can move it a bit to the right if you think it's something like this, I think. And then you see the under here, move it down a bit so that it looks like more or less like a leaf. I think we are good. I give this a bit of this. Oh no, I think that's not good. This is better. This looks better. Okay, now after drawing this, I did not tell you which colors I used. So you go here, I used for the stroke, I used this color. So you can get to the stroke by selecting, let's say you select this, and then you go to shift, and then you press this color. That will give, look, if I go to shift, I can do it as blue. Now go to shift and do it as green, and and also select this and do the same thing. You go to shift and give it yellow. If I do it blue, now go and give it yellow. Okay, and the fill, just don't go to shift, because and then the green is this one here, so just press that. Look, I can change, but this is the green, and then is the same thing here. The fill is the green one here. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel and come again to watch. Thank you. Bye.